future runs on data. Every cycle, every motion, every signal. Millions of data points stream to powerful servers, building a real-time digital core. Modern manufacturing isn't just automation. It's the power to capture, connect, and act on information. Every second, every day.
We've entered a new era where the factory runs on data. And what matters is what it does to your KPIs. Higher output, lower energy use, and better day-to-day working conditions. I came to Mitsubishi Electric Automotive Czech to see how they turn data into results on the shop floor.
Na straně výroby si ponecháváme to, co funguje. Naše řídící jednotky řady Q spolehlivě fungují více než 10 let a modernizuje prostřednictvím datové vrstvy pomocí rozhraní mez pro připojení strojů k analýzám bez narušení výstupu. Nemodernizujeme stroje pro samotnou modernizaci. Stabilní řízení řady Q zůstává na svém místě a přidáváme konektivitu a data tam, kde to přináší měřitelné zisky. Méně prostojů, lepší viditelnost a rychlejší odstraňování problémů. Na straně výroby si ponecháváme to, co funguje.
It's impressive how much actionable data comes from over 100 machines connected with the e-factory approach. And you don't need a full rip and replace program to improve performance. You can connect what you already have and start improving step by step. I realized that data isn't just reporting. It's the basis for daily operational decisions that reduce downtime, stabilize quality, and keep production moving. Here, data is used to drive action, not to fill in the dashboards. Engineers build their own reports, add sensors when the process needs more visibility, and even adjust PLC logic itself.
We use data to drive continuous improvement in process and product quality. By analyzing the detailed data from manufacturing processes, we identify defect patterns and optimize the process, reduce scrap, so customers can get more consistent quality, and we reduce also our manufacturing costs. The point isn't technology for show. We know how to deploy systems so they can actually work for production within true PDCA cycle by using Mitsubishi Electric's portfolio in a pragmatic way to rise automation, protect quality and deliver results on the shop floor.
Používáme RFID čipy pro identifikaci operátorů, abychom sledovali, kdo kde pracuje, a kombinujeme to s daty o zatížení svalů a daty na úrovni pracoviště. To nám pomáhá plánovat rotace a provovat organizaci práce, abychom snížili ergonomickou zátěž a udrželi konzistentní výkonnost napříč směnami.
Technology doesn't replace people. It protects them and makes work more sustainable. Using data to improve ergonomics shows you can raise efficiency while reducing strain and risk for operators.
So we can actively manage the plant environment impacts on production. We monitor HVAC, the data center, free cooling, UPS and other technical utilities.
The building is now part of performance too. With a BMS, you don't just monitor energy, you actively manage it, support peak demand control, and keep your sustainability targets on track. The key isn't one platform or one PLC. It's having the capability and the right team's habits to turn millions of signals into clear decisions that improve output, quality, uptime, and energy performance. That's what it means to teach a factory to speak data.